At your event, it is essential to collect key information from each guest, such as personal details, travel data, or hotel information. I'm Sasha, and today I'll show you how to create forms without any technical knowledge in under 3 minutes. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is access the platform. Go to the content menu and select Forms. Here you can manage and create all the forms from your event. Now click on New Form. Here you can give your form a name, such as personal information. You can write any internal name you prefer, and on the user label, define what your guests will see at the form title. Let's create a force field, in this case, document type. You can choose the type of field you need, like dropdown, which is what we will use for this example. We will set the field as required and add the options ID card, passport, and national ID. Once we have saved it, we can see the preview of how the form will appear to our guests. Now let's create the next field, document number. We will mark it as required too, and then select text field type, and then save it. Remember, you can choose from various field types. I recommend exploring them in detail. The most common ones are text, number, yes or no answers, and the dropdowns. Once you have created all the necessary fields, your form is ready to be included in your event. That's how easy it is to personal forms from your event with BeGuest. To make sure everything is just right, you can explore labels, language versions, and form types in the depth playlists. There you'll find a video to master every detail about the forms. And that is it. Congratulations, you know how to create your own custom form in BeGuest. If you want to keep learning, check out our essential playlist for more helpful videos. Thanks for using BeGuest and have an amazing event.